My name is Holm, and I grew up a dancer, but I was always injured. So I went to physical therapy a lot, and I ended up realizing that I really like the human connection as well as the health field part of it. So my major is athletic training, and then in the future, I'm gonna go to grad school to get my doctorate in physical therapy. I do think that athletic training gives a really good base for physical therapy because it's very hands-on. Everything that you learn in class, you apply it to the clinical setting. So when I get to the field house, I feel more knowledgeable every single day that I go there. So this fall, I've been working with men's soccer. Depending on which sport you are paired with, your time spent at clinical will be anywhere between 4 hours a day to even like 8 hours a day. And then outside of clinical and outside of classes, I'm always studying. I'm always doing extra work for homework. So being an athletic training major can be very stressful and time-consuming, but I find this major super rewarding. I guess my favorite experience overall is just all of my clinical settings. I've learned so much with each, and all of the new relationships I gain is really amazing. Being able to communicate with all of the athletes, with all of the athletic trainers, I feel that being hands-on now, it's gonna help me to get a jump start on my career path in the future, and I feel like I'm gonna have a very good foundation before going into PT school.